Hey, I'm Stucki. When I was a kid, my uncle painted me pictures of superheroes, and they really inspired me to think this bad dream I was in was a good dream. And that's why I paint superheroes for kids today, so that they'll make this life a good dream. So I had an idea of painting a picture and just running it on some random person's door. Yeah, and then immediately like Bob Evans' face popped into my mind, and I'm all, Bob Evans!
Stucki.
Yeah.
One day. That mural?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, I'm a fast painter.
Ain't got no soapbox I can stand upon. God gave me a stage, a guitar, and a song. My daddy told me, son, don't you get involved in politics, religions, or the people's cause. I'll paint the picture, let me set the scene. I know when I have children, they will know what it means. And I'll pass on these things my family's given to me. Just love and understanding, positivity. We can change this world with a piano and a bass, some guitar, grab a beat, and away we go. I'm just a boy with a one-man show. No university, no degree, but Lord knows everybody's talking about exponential growth and the stock market crashing in their portfolios, while I'll be sitting here with a song that I wrote.
Wow, that was weird.
Sweet.
Saying love could change the world in a moment, but what do I know?
Pretty sick, huh? Pretty cool.
The purple was crazy.
I know.
Love can change the world.
Oh wait, look at my hands.
Revolution's coming, it's a minute.
My mom gets so mad at me, and she always says, scrub your hands with turpentine. Yeah, I'm a painter. A painter's gotta paint. Now it's like semi-dry, not all the way, but it's kind of dry. And now I'm gonna just like do the outlines of the characters so that I can know where to paint more. You know what I mean? Let's go for it.
Marching in the streets today. You know we're all made up of love and hate, but both of them are balanced on a razor blade. I paint the picture, let me set the scene. I know I'm all for people following their dreams. Just remember, life is more than fitting in your jeans. It's love and understanding, positivity. We can change this world with a piano and a bass, some guitar, grab a beat, and away we go. I'm just a boy with a one-man show. No university, no degree, but Lord knows everybody's talking about exponential growth and the stock market crashing in their portfolios, while I'll be sitting here with a song that I wrote, singing love could change the world in a moment, but what do I know?
Yeah, I finished my first slop sesh, and that means just like slopping colors on so that I can put on the details now. Yeah, and I'll just start putting on the details. Okay? I'll get to work.
Love can change the world in a moment, but what do I know? Love can change the world in a moment. I'll paint the picture, let me set the scene. You know the future's in the hands of you and me, so let's all get together, we can all be free. Spread love and and understanding positivity. We can change this whole world with a piano and a bass, some guitar, grab a beat, and away we go. I'm just a boy with a one-man show. No university, no degree, but Lord knows everybody's talking about exponential growth and the stock market crashing in their portfolios. While I'll be sitting here with a song that I wrote, singing love could change the world in a moment. But what do I know? Love can change the world in a moment. But what do I know? Love can change the world in a moment. But what do I know?
Bam!
Oh
Pretty
my
cool, huh?
gosh.
Pretty cool.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Great job, dude. So who are we giving this to?
Shh. Keep it on the DL.
Oh yeah.
We're giving it.
We're gonna doorbell ditch it to
Doorbell
who?
ditch it to Bob Evans, and he's the anchor at Channel Fox 13. Yeah. I said, "Aren't you the weatherman?" Yeah, and I kept calling him the weatherman. And yeah, and he's all, "I'm not the weatherman. I have never been the weatherman." Yep.
Channel 13 News,
Yep.
Utah.
Yep.
We're gonna drop this off at his house tonight.
Tonight.
Well, probably in like an hour. Or right now.
Right now.
Should we go do it?
Yeah, let's do it right now.
You think he's home?
But I'm gonna sign this right now.
Okay.
Tell me I'm the only one. Tell me I'm the only one.
Oh shoot, is this theirs?
I think so. Mate,
What?
that looks like their house too.
Uh-oh.
Dormers.
Dormers?
Or maybe those aren't dormers. And
lost.
I think I remember.
We don't know where they live.
We don't know where they live. Should I just text them?
Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Glenn is gonna be the one to run up to the door and drop it off. While he's getting ready, I'm gonna do they have a bike out front? I'm gonna grab the bike, put it at the top of their little hill, and then place my camera underneath the bike pointing to the door. Because I don't see anywhere else where I could hide close by. Let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
This is not good.
Is that good?
No, one sec. Wait, prop it up so they can see it, yeah. Run!
Hello?
Do you like it? Do you know who it is?
The Avengers.
The Avengers. You think it's pretty cool?
Yep.
More or less. Pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Cool. Give me some. Give Glenn some. Thanks,
Yeah.
dude.
Just tell your dad Glenn Stucki said he loved him.
Dang it. So, what happened?
I thought we were off the hook. I thought he would just take it and go inside, but I guess the dog smelled us out and like brought the little boy
Yep.
to us.
He found us. Dude, give me some.